1 plus 1 equals 2. So 2 times 2 and again times 2 equals 8. And 8 divided by this. 8 divided by 8 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, two multiplications, and this parentheses. We need to pay attention that in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So first we do this parentheses, and after this parentheses we have one division and two multiplication. So, as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So after this parentheses we have to do this division, not this multiplication or this multiplication. Okay, so therefore first this parentheses, then this division, then this multiplication, and finally this multiplication. Okay, inside this parentheses we have 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. So we have 8 divided by 2 times 2 and again times 2. We have to work from left to right. 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. So 4 times 2 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. And 8 times 2 is just 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16.